Grandma's carrot bread. You can't find this in bakeries. Let's start by adding a carrot to a blender. Then half a cup of milk. Cover and blend well. Now let's transfer everything to a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon yeast. Mix well. Next, add an egg, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and mix again. Now add 500 g flour gradually, mixing as you go. At this point, transfer everything to the counter. Now let's start kneading. Perfect, the dough shouldn't stick to your hands. Let's put it back in the bowl. Cover with plastic wrap. Let it rise for 30 minutes. It's now at the ideal size. Let's take it out of the bowl. Back to the counter we go. Now let's cut the dough into equal sizes. Here, I've cut it into 5 small balls. Next, just repeat the process I'm showing. Then we'll shape them into rounds. I've placed them in an oiled baking pan. Now cover and let rest for 30 minutes. After that, it'll look like this. Brush with egg yolk. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 60 minutes until golden. Check out how amazing this carrot bread looks. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Sending you a big hug. See you next time. Thanks, folks.